Hi, my name is N.V.Sirisha. I've joined Jspiders in the month of June 2025. From till that day till this day, I've really worked very hard and I've secured a job in B.TECH company with the LP of 3.6 in the Hyderabad location itself. I really want to thank my trainers, Prem sir and Pawan sir, for training me in the Java and the library and the advanced Java. I'm really thankful for the Jspiders, JNTU branch. Before joining the Jspiders, I was like no knowledge and I was lacking the confidence and I lacked in the communication skills also. After joining the Jspiders, I've gained more confidence, more communication skills, and recognizing me is like biggest opportunity for me. I've attended I've cleared the mark in the placement. I've cleared the mark. After clearing the mark, I got so many times. Like every time I've attended the live, I was a bit low confidence. After attending multiple times or attending so many mocks, I've gained knowledge and confidence also. Now I'm really very happy, and my parents are also very happy. I really want to thank the Spiders.